Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was recently reduced by a little over 30,000 US dollars. It is nestled in the cool and quiet neighborhood of Hatfield, Manchester. This 12-bedroom house is loaded with potential, with 5 self-contained flats. It's a perfect multifamily home or a prime investment. The possibilities are endless. Located just minutes away from the town of Mandeville, all major convenience and recreational activities are easily accessible. The new owner can reap the benefits of this income earner or enjoy quality family time looking out over the mountains or relaxing in the private entertainment areas on the property. The land area of this house is approximately 18,785 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is £292,000, US $381,100, or Jamaican $58.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.